woke up. Oh, it's so bright. It's so bright. I can't see. I'm dying. I stay in the shade. We woke up on a houseboat. The lens is fogging up right now because of how humid it is out here. But look at this. This is what we woke up to. And we are going to begin the morning, instead of kayaking in, head to the top deck, catch some sun, and read Ernest Hemingway. This has literally been the most amazing vacation ever so far. The houseboat slept great. It was great. It was the mini split AC unit. It kept it super cool and very dry in there, which is great. There's nothing better than just waking up to like right a sunset right by the mangroves and crystal clear water. Look at the jellyfish. Look at the jellyfish down there. Just pulsing, doing their thing, being jellyfish. Since I'm here, why don't I take you on a super quick little tour. First, I'll start inside and then I'll end up there where we're gonna be. To get here, this is how we got here. We both were on a kayak. Now, Caleb, what do you do about your luggage? Brian, who is the Airbnb host, has a skiff that he brings over the luggage to, and then you schedule a checkout time with him. So we got ourselves here. Oh, look, there's little fishies. And we'll get ourselves to and from the car as needed. Where's the car? Okay, so you come around here. Now, if you're not comfortable with a 5 to 10 minute, not even a 5 to 10 minute, a 5-minute kayak ride, I wouldn't do this. But you see that antenna right at the end of my fingertip, right, bing, there. That is where the marina is, and that's where our car is parked. So we kayaked around this little channel through here, and we actually did it last night at 10 p.m. Step in, and here's the grand review. So as you can see, everything you need here in this little Airbnb. You're basically sleeping in the kitchen, which is totally fine. For 2 people, it's great. I don't think you can really have, is this only a 2-person Airbnb? It's only a 2-person Airbnb. Even if you did want to bring a friend, you'd have to shuttle them on the kayak, but I'll tell you, waking up to this is absolutely magical. Come upstairs, you walk up these stairs, and when you arrive up here, you're greeted with this amazing panoramic view of Key West. Well, technically Key West is somewhat this way. I think it's actually that way if I'm not mistaken. I need to look at the map. But here's the little deck up here. Got a couple sunny chairs and then a couple of uprights here. The solar panels that power the whole thing. So this thing is all off-grid, all solar panel. So one thing to note, there is no 110 power here. You cannot plug something into the wall because of the solar panels draw and all that stuff. Kind of annoying. Can't charge some of my camera batteries and whatnot. We're just gonna go in town to a coffee shop and charge them up. Heads up if you're coming here. But we're gonna go ahead and get some sun, get some reading.
To head back to the mainland.
Ready, Freddy. Let's do this thing.
Got everything I need in my bag.
Our key.
I think that is
Don't
needed.
forget that.
Unlock. Oh no, we didn't unlock it. Caleb.
It's really hot.
Ow. The ore is burning.
It's so hot.
Where are you?
It's so hot, but you're so hot.
Thanks.
Hey.
No, it's really hot.
Slow.
The ore, like the paddle is burning me.
Yeah.
The metal. Ow.
Past the initial burn, it's not so bad.
Okay, let's go fast. I know.
There's a daggone.
It's a rooster.
A daggone rooster. There's literally just chickens walking around this restaurant, like walking around our tables and stuff. Little chicken. Little rooster. He's a pretty rooster.
Food time. Top down, going to Cuban Coffee.
Yeah, let's get some coffee. We found the Cuban coffee.
So Caleb doesn't know that we're going there.
Where are we going?
Do you want me to tell me
Where are we
now?
going?
Or do you want to just walk to it?
Tell you what?
Do you want me to tell you the adventure, or do you want to just walk to it?
Maybe tell me.
We're going to Key West Lighthouse.
What?
Yeah.
No way!
So let's go.
Yes, yes!
Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you when we were driving to our breakfast place, you know how I said we were close to all of it? We literally drove past it and I saw the lighthouse.
What?
And I was like,
You're
I hope you didn't see it.
I didn't see it at all. I was too focused on not hitting other cars here.
You see it?
That's a lighthouse. That's so cool.
We like literally drove right where it was like the whole road. You open this.
What?
So it's closed.
Lighthouse is closed for painting. But I can still see it. We'll take pictures of it.
Yeah.
So cool to see. There's plenty of stuff to do.
That was a dud.
It was a dud. It wasn't a dud. We got cool pics.
Yeah, that's true. We're back.
We're back.
Take a nap.
Back. We're gonna take a nap. But we're back. Back.
You ready to kayak across?
Right. 3, 2, 1. Let's get back to the house. I need to take a nap.
2 hours later.
I just arguably had the best nap I might have ever had in my life. If I'm thinking of all naps, the AC in here was just right. It could be colder. The guy called us a northerner. He thought we were northerners because we slept with it cold. Now we got a few hours to kill. I've got this drone shot in my head that I really want to get of this car. The car we rented going over the sunset over a bridge with a new drone. We found in the guest book, check out the guest book. We found in here, people mentioned, oh look, a little among us, going to see sea turtles. And our friend mentioned it. I'm trying to find, anyways, whatever, someone mentioned it. It's in here. That was really, really cool. So we're gonna go see a sea turtle hospital. It's about an hour away. That gets us out of this no-fly zone. Pretty much all of Key West is a no-fly zone. Good to know, by the way, if you're flying a drone around Key West, literally the Key West, like half of it is a naval base, and the other half of it is, it's like all restricted. All I know is that we're gonna get this drone shot, but I gotta drive back up a little ways to do it. Now let's hop on kayak and go see some sea turtles. All right, I don't know if you can see super well, but this is the path. Oh, watch your step right there, honey. There's a dock. From here, and it goes through this marina to the right. This is every single time that you leave, you have to do this, and then you walk past other people's houseboats. Some people look like they live here full time. And then you walk into this like one-star marina. There's a taxi mechanic shop right here, and you park on the street. It's perfect. I love it.
We're about to pass Fred
the tree. I think I can see Fred the tree up there. Can you see it? Just barely. I'll point it out as we drive by. I guess that's Fred right there. That's gotta be Fred.
Hi, Fred.
Hi, Fred. I mean, like, where is that growing from, though? Like a mound of dirt? That's actually really fascinating. It's growing on a bridge. Where does it get the dirt? There's another bush over there.
That's not named. Just Fred.
How does that, hold on, how is that tree growing? There was literally just a small mound of dirt. It's not like someone can bring it out there. And that dirt can't stay there. It's gonna erode with like the rain and stuff, right? Fred. Damn,
impressive. Open. What?
It's closed.
Yeah, we didn't read the sign.
We didn't read the sign. We didn't look it up. We just,
well, it said open, so that's why I thought.
Look up some other stuff.
Yeah. So we had a change of plans, and we decided since turtles were closed, we had to get a drink. Maybe that way.
I don't know. This is cute though.
But we're trying to find. It had like a little like dinnery place.
It looks closed.
Well, I think this is just the lobby. I don't think we get drinks at the lobby. What is happening with your car? The lights are on too. Did you figure it out?
I think so. Okay, note to self. Everywhere closes, I think, at like 4 o'clock or something.
Well,
here.
it says open online. Where are you going? Does that even walk over there? You can walk around the side. But yeah, it would be the second place that says open online.
I mean,
but then when
pretty.
you arrive, it says closed.
Pretty.
It's very cute. Hopefully, maybe in the back it's open. Okay, I'm actually kind of annoyed that it's closed because this is actually cute in the back. Like, what?
I guess let's
But it's not it, because it showed like a whole dining room in the back, like not this.
but this was, I don't know.
I think we're confused.
Let's just use that to take some pictures because it's really pretty.
Yeah, actually, if you go straight across the highway, about half a mile down, there's a place called Kiki's.
Okay, perfect.
It's a nice little local joint, and they have some awesome fish tacos.
Oh, awesome. Well, thank you so much for that, Dan. I really appreciate it. And have fun out there on the island.
Enjoy.
All right, bye. Explains it. It's actually
I guess
an
that
island.
makes sense because it said
3 miles off the
ferry.
coast, and he said he was watching me on the camera up there. That's so funny. This is definitely open, and people are definitely here.
Just a little bit.
So we
Getting ready to launch your drone?
so excited. So excited. It's like flight is about to be perfect here in like the next 10 minutes. Can't wait. First drone,
So basically, Caleb just watched me eat for an hour.
But I don't like seafood. Watch Kelly eat. I had a drink.
And we
It was
were charging
good.
our phones, so he didn't even have his phone.
Stared at you for like a full hour because you took forever to eat that
I ate
lobster.
a full steam pot, so.
That was the slowest I've ever seen a human eat. You normally eat so fast, and you did not even. You took. It was like. Boop, look at me.
That's what you had
Crack.
to do for crab.
Look at me. Snap, snap, snap. Crack. Boop, look at me. Wipe the hair. Get the cup with your out of your hands because your fingers all dirty.
Okay,
Put
we
it
get
down.
it. We get it.
I watched everything.
But now we're going to just downtown Key West.
Sloppy Joe's or Garden of Eden. We're gonna try those two spots and see.
Okay.
Let's go, but let's take top down first.
Okay.
I feel like it still amazes you every time.
Like when it comes down.
It's going away.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I'm a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it. Get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I'm a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I'm a comma it, and it's a ticket.